What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be installing the Warp 9 vibration dampening bar mounts for the Ultra Bee. For the first step, you're going to need to remove the handlebar from the mount itself, and you're going to need a 6mm Allen key to go ahead and do that. Next step is to remove the bar mount using an 8mm Allen key. The red bushing is a hard rubber compound, and the blue bushing is a soft rubber compound. Here's how to swap them out. First step is to loosen the 3mm hex on the back of the bar mount. Next step, on the bottom of the mount, you'll find a 4mm hex bolt. Use your Allen key to go ahead and loosen that. Once that's removed, the bushing should slide right out. Replace it with the bushing of your choice and reinstall the 4mm hex. Go to the back of the mount and tighten up the set screw. And that's how you replace the bushings. In this case, we're installing the bar mount with the spacer, and we're going to use the medium-sized bolt. Last step is to put your handlebars back on. You can use a 10mm socket or a T40. We're going to use a 10mm in this case. There you go. That's how you install your Warp 9 vibration dampening mount.